Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you want to know how to burn bay leaves to manifest anything, you landed on the right video. Listen, these little things right here are so powerful when it comes down to manifesting money, success, love, health. Listen, you can't go wrong. If you want to know how to burn these things, I'm going to give you 4 different ways or techniques that you can use while burning bay leaves. So now listen, watch this video all the way to the end because you guys know I love to throw in extra tips. But if you're new to this channel, this is a law of attraction, metaphysical channel that gives life-changing information. So don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Now, if you want to know how to burn bay leaves to attract anything, including money, keep watching. Okay, everyone, I'm back. Now, what is it about bay leaf or bay laurel that is so powerful in manifesting or attracting abundance? Now, listen, this little joker right here, I get so many people that write me saying how their manifestations have came true using this little guy right here. Now, only thing I'm going to tell you that you need is basically bay leaves. You're going to need, I would say, some matches. And that is basically it. Oh, and some tweezers and something to burn the bay leaf over. Now, that is basically all you need. Now, with the other techniques, I'm going to move forward with this, and I'm going to tell you what you can add on as we go along. Now, the first technique of burning a bay leaf is very simple, and I've done videos on this in the past. The only thing you need to do is to take a whole bay leaf, okay? Write your name on it. You can write your name, you can write your date of birth, and you can put on the other side or around it what you want. So you can put money signs, 4 money signs on the 4 corners, or you can write a certain amount of money you want, or something that you're trying to manifest, like success, a new job, whatever it is that you want. You keep it very simple: new job, success, prosperity, lots of money, and you write it on the bay leaf. Now, what are you going to do once you write on the bay leaf? For me, for the first technique, I would hold it in my hand and I would just visualize what it is that I want as if it is already done. If I want success, I would see myself as being successful. I could do this in either first person or third person. The thing is, I want to impregnate in this bay leaf and in my subconscious mind what it is that I want. Now, I will hold this bay leaf in my hand, or you can hold it like this, and I would visualize what it is that I want. And then I might say, thank you, God, for blessing me with the perfect career. Thank you, God, for blessing me with a large sum of money. Thank you, God, for blessing me with perfect health. Thank you, God, for blessing me with my new home. Whatever it is you're trying to do, keep it at one thing per bay leaf, okay? Now, once you finish with this, you're going to take tweezers and you're going to hold it like that and you're going to burn it. Now, let's see how we're going to do this, because I want to do this in front of you so you can see how it is. Again, be very careful with the matches, okay? So you're going to hold it in your hand and you're going to burn it. And you can continue saying, thank you, God, for blessing me with the money. Thank you, God, for blessing me with the money. Thank you, God, for blessing me with the money. And you're going to let this bay leaf burn. You let it finish burning and it's going to be ashes. Once you have the ashes in the bowl, what are you going to do with it? For me, I take it outside to my front door and I blow it out to the universe. But the whole thing is, while this is burning, you're setting the intent of what it is you want to happen, okay? And then let it go. Take action in the direction you're going in and just let it go, people. Don't go looking over your shoulder for it. It's already done. It's just God, the universe, putting things into place to make it materialize on the earth plane. Now, the second way of burning a bay leaf, everyone, is very similar to the first step that we did. But in this step, we're going to add a little bit of cinnamon. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to have something to place a little cinnamon on, okay? Like a bowl. Just a little bit of cinnamon, okay? Remember, cinnamon is another attractor of abundance, just like a bay leaf. It is another attractor and it will bring in abundance, you guys, okay? So now you're dealing with two things that brings in abundance. So now again, you can write your name on this, your date of birth if you want to. You can write dollar signs, symbols on the four corners of the four sides of the bay leaf, or you can turn it around and write what it is that you want. Again, keeping it at one thing per bay leaf. Now, the next thing you're going to do, if you want to, you can pack a little bit of cinnamon on the bay leaf, along with putting some in the bowl. And again, you're going to light the bay leaf. And as it burns, you're going to drop it in on the cinnamon and allow the cinnamon and the bay leaf to burn. Now, again, while you're doing this, I need you to set the intent on what it is that you want. And you say, thank you, God, as if it is already done. Now, the next technique that I want to show you when it comes down to burning bay leaves is basically adding oil to the bay leaf before burning it. Now, it's not any type of oil. The oil should be very specific to what it is you're trying to do. So if you're trying to manifest money, which a lot of people are when they're burning the bay leaf, you might want to use Lailoken's A-Win's Fast Money Oil. You might want to use money drawing oil. You might want to use magnet oil to bring money to you, prosperity oil. These are the type of oils that you might want to put a dab on your hand and pat it on the bay leaf. Now, if it's for success and you're having problems with breaking through barriers, you might want to put John the Conqueror oil on the bay leaf, or Open the Road Allegra on the bay leaf, okay? You might even want to place holy oil, a drop of holy oil on the bay leaf for the blessed. These are the little things. I also have Better Business Oil that for business people, entrepreneurs, you put a little bit on there for success. Healing oil, we have regular healing oil, we have Archangel Raphael. Whatever it is you're trying to do, just put a drop on your hand and pat it on the bay leaf. And then what are you going to do? Again, you are going to set the intent and you are going to burn the bay leaf, okay? So again, it will be the same as what we did before. And you're going to burn the bay leaf. While you're doing this, you're going to keep thinking about what it is that you want as it burns. Again, sending it out to the universe. Again, take it outside and blow it to the universe and thank the universe, thank God, for supplying you with what it is that you have. Now, let's get to the fourth technique involving burning of bay leaves. Now, this one involves sacred geometry. I have here Sri Yantra and I have here Metatron's Cube. These are both from my vision boards. And you know, if you watch my vision board videos, I always place a sacred geometry sign on any of my vision boards. So now, what you're going to do, you're going to do the same thing as what we spoke about before. You're going to write your name. If it's money, write dollar signs on the corners, or in the back, you're going to write what it is: success, prosperity, lots of money, whatever. But again, keep it one per bay leaf. Then what you can add to this, you can add an oil, as we discussed earlier, a little dab of oil on your hand and pat it on the bay leaf. If you want to add another thing to it, you can sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on it, just a dab of cinnamon on it. And then you can hold it in your hand and visualize or speak into the bay leaf what it is that you desire it to do. Now, what are you going to do after that? You're going to place it on the sign of the Sri Yantra. Now, where are you going to get these from? You can absolutely go to Google, snapshot a Sri Yantra, a Metatron's Cube, a Flower of Life, and you're going to take it and print it out somewhere. Or you can print it out on your computer. Whatever you want to do. You don't have to go out and buy these. I do sell certain sacred geometry signs on my site. And you can place it on the sacred geometry or place it on top of the bay leaf like that. And leave it for a day, overnight, throughout the day while you're working. Whatever you want to do, just leave it there. You can even place crystals near it, like a clear crystal quartz or anything to manifest money or whatever else you're trying to do, like a citrine or a carnelian, anything, okay? And add it to whatever you're doing and leave it for the day, okay? When you come back, once it's done, you're going to burn the bay leaf again. Again, stating, thank you, God, for blessing me with lots of money. Thank you, God, for blessing me with business success. Thank you, God, for blessing me with total health. Whatever it is you want to do, you're going to light the bay leaf again, and you're going to blow the ashes out to the universe. Listen, these are powerful ways of burning bay leaves, and it will absolutely bring your manifestations in faster. I get so many people that write me to tell me that their bay leaf manifestation has worked. Okay, so listen, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I'm always giving you guys law of attraction, metaphysical information to change your life. Support this channel by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. If you want any of these things, the oils, the bay leaves, anything, Sri Yantra, please look in the description, go to the website, it's there, and namaste.